All right, welcome to the show today. As I talked before, and I'm very excited every time we complete.
Yeah.
We are very much complete. So we're not getting anybody in our midst. Yesterday we get person in between. So we're not
Today
getting
not just
anybody.
we ourselves by
Who is the
ourselves.
person?
We get person.
Hey God. Don't make me
Spiritual
run for
somebody.
you.
Person there means
Who?
Jah Jehovah.
All right, we like Issues Day, and we get some stories for you. And we also get letter from the viewers today. One particular viewer, they ask us, say make we put mouth inside the matter. And surely we go put mouth inside, plus including you and where they out there. And also we get You Sabi Say today. Now, you know, say You Sabi Say now, that segment where we dey actually teach you some things.
Well, you know,
Some small things where you know even know. Like where typewriter start from, like where Amaka will even start from, like where lipstick start from.
Where can lipstick come from?
This will be lipstick now from snake body.
Eh,
Let's say make am.
Not like creamy for me.
I don't push the mouth over. Snake.
You know how they talk to most of our cream now from aborted babies. Yeah.
How they look me? You know, irritates me one couple.
It irritates me 20 kobo.
It
But you
irritates
see the
me for
reference.
over 6 months.
It irritates me for.
But
What
you
about
know-
this
but you
one?
dey
Fish
rub
scale. We don't go out for You Sabi Say now. Say lipstick
na
fish
fish scale.
scale.
So na scale there your mouth. Sir.
You too carry now. Why you can't
Now you
emphasize
see
on
they
my...
irritate now. You know irritates me.
All right, so no more things. Wait, like now we don't tell you say fish scale now from I say lipstick now from fish scale. We get other things to give you on top You Sabi Say, so you're going to need to stay tuned for that particular segment. Are you ready to talk?
Yes.
You sure?
To talk, no be work for we.
To talk now. Work.
Not the work.
All right. Now, I'm going to tell you of the recent one with the trend. Now, when I see this story, I laugh. Why I laugh? Maybe you go cry or you go laugh. You go decide. Now, Taribo West, and the one where we not say yes in the play ball, I say tomorrow, not the, in the part of the Super Eagles. He don't come aside, give some kind testimony. Now, a lot of people don't know, say this ex-footballer, former footballer, say him now is Pastor T. He's now a pastor. Yeah, him na pastor now. Now, he don't come aside, talk some kind of revelation. He talk say, him be they contact some traditionalists, aka Babalawo. That time when they play football, for them to give and charm so that him go excel well for the football when they play. According by his words, he say, of course, yes, I was involved. I don't know why people they decline to talk about their involvement with charm, juju. He said football has to do with a lot of power. He said when there are big events, you look at the stadium, you look at the people, you look at your fan, and where they talk plenty things. He said magicians are there. If voodoo is so, all of them, they're there. In my playing days, when I was ignorant, I used to get some malams and babalawo, traditional doctors, to make charm for us, where we go take enter inside camp. He said sometimes they work, sometimes they work. In some clubs, before every game, he said the president or leader of the club go give you a lucky charm for you to play with. They will tell you to put it in your boots or for inside your socks and make you play. It's their superstitious belief say this kind of thing will actually work for you. He said these people are consulted to give these coaches result of games even before the matches. Now he talked about some of the coaches' connection with African magicians, soothsayers, and all those things. So the soothsayer go they give the coach
Report
prediction
of game where they never play.
of una go fail, una go win. But for you to actually win, you go need to do this. So a lot of coaches, they actually consult the soothsayer. But the bottom line, where a lot of people, they carry from Taribo West revelation, they say, in the come aside talk, say, personally, he don't go visit some babalawo for him to score well for field. Now the question, while you talk about Taribo West, I still want your own revelation. It gets anything for pass where you do, and now you feel say, because you are now a better person, all things are passed away, all things become new. You get anything. Because we are talking about Taribo West revelation. You will talk about it, but still give us your own revelation.
Super.
Yes, for school I carry expo for last paper. Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry.
I was
Talk
because
say,
we-
your VC don't
wait,
find
now.
you to collect your
Wait.
certificate.
I'm going somewhere. She said, make I reveal them. Everybody know where I come from. AB Zaya, now I go.
Okay, university.
The expo I carry, no be say, no be say I carry expo. Yeah, I carry expo. The expo be say, we know wetin the matter leak before the May exam. And with the right project, you know that moment now. Project, your project supervisor, they hit to every day now you want see. When you don't even reach that minute, they don't give them 3 weeks to submit. You they see them every day, no time for you to read, no time to you're just, you know what? This paper, I don't know anything to write, but let's go inside. You don't understand? We go testify and we thank God. We don't go back. We don't go back. Some people they catch them, some they don't catch them. But talking about Terrible West, it gets some things you better just leave them unknown. You don't understand? To me, if you say make we talk now right now because of the level when they supposed to return all the medal, the money, yeah, reverse the fame, take it back. And just be you.
Take it back. Take it back.
Don't Pastor T, like he give her, make you go. Because, you know, to me, just forget about them. You don't go. You don't know God. You and your God already make peace. No, God. Okay, now you don't change anything. If be say boys, they carry and go. But me, I don't believe in. You know why? I believe say, sports now something where they put in hard work. I don't understand where Babala always sit down inside in dirty shrine. That in dirty place. We don't even know.
If you know the shrine, if you did that pitch there, that ball there.
Yeah, but
to
me, I just feel say anybody will not know the A to Z of the football pitch or whatever. You don't get what you want. Tell me say go happen inside.
No,
field.
they'll just give you as a person. They'll just according by the Babalawo, they'll just give you some kind lucky charm so that
Make Terrible
you
say-
go score where you go defend.
Nine
well.
that they get
watch film now.
nine that they get injury. 9 days they see they get injury. Babalawo no tell us say you go win tomorrow no play.
You forget that part. You forget that part.
Yeah, that means he never confess finish. But to me, I just feel say you get some things you know just need to come out.
Yeah.
To me, I just feel say you dey rubbish yourself. I'm sorry to say because he don't already make peace within God. I happy for him say he don't make peace within God. He don't become pastor now. But not be all pastors now you go make heaven. We could make that fat down. Not be all pastors go make heaven. But because say you
Why
don't
that
come.
statement now? So are you saying that Terrible West will not make heaven?
No, I said not be
Okay.
all
No, I just
pastors.
want to clarify.
No,
That
not
one-
use
na
the
just
word
facts,
pastor.
because the same way, not be all
No, I
prostitutes
know.
go
go
here.
hell.
Yes.
I just want to clarify.
Yeah, you
like if we
understand,
talk
so-
about one particular celebrity now, maybe selling body person.
Yeah, so
and
make
that statement come up.
make you know make you know even. But to me, if I just leave the boys, if you want advice, then go come preach to them. Say, guys, I don't do this thing those days. You know they work, you know. But not be saying consider so that waiting go happen. You don't tell where come out for TV. So
You need to do advice. You need to advise students. No, this is the last thing where you go talk concerning this.
Okay, let me
Advise
tell
them,
you.
please. Yeah.
If you be Abu sites, I understand say the tension they high. You don't need to carry expo. No be say I carry expo right for lapo. I don't do that. Guy, I don't say you know I'm passing me, so they teach me okay. Number 2 now so at the right number. I know board carry I know board carry paper enter.
Which
board.
one you do? I don't
No,
understand.
no, no, they tell me. That they tell you.
Is that expo?
Now
So that they tell you
expo
for-
as much as not be you sit down right now.
Oh.
Not be you, na expo. Expo they
you-
different grade. Chukuli day. Chukuli na na.
Okay. You don't advise them finish. I mean.
But anyway, where your head carry.
I know.
Well, if I go talk for this one, I go feel say whether you talk not true. Just get some things where you just suppose, you know,
Let them slide.
Let them just, you know, they there. But yes, we understand. Say he won't turn new leaf. In the no be new
He
leaf.
don't
He
already
don't already turn new leaf.
Don't
In a
become pastor like
team.
10 years now.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
So 10 years don't pass. So for since 10 years now long stretch, you don't see anything wrong to talk. Say I be they do this thing when I dey young or when I dey into the game. That time because I dey use and get whatever. So it is like part of restitution or part of it dey confess.
English
I
no
know.
hard, but
I know. It was a logo.
I know that I dey explain
I
that
know.
thing, but you're just like that.
Restitution.
Yes.
Just stick to that one.
He just try to confess, give the whole obodo the world.
We don't need
Say-
a confession. Only God need them.
No, we need them.
No, some people
We need them.
them.
Forget to.
Some people need.
Then
open
to me,
open
I just say talk. I
confession.
just
see I'm as a real
sorry
person.
to cut you. To me, if you know say we want like those people they return their WAEC results, you need to return all the trophies and the money. Now that one they pay me pass.
You go
You
return
see,
am
if you
in due
return
time.
that money, he go reach me one kind.
How the money want to take reach you?
You not gonna know because my grandson want to play football, so he go enter the football association, and one thing he go see the money go still come back house. You know
alright.
understand? So
Super.
Anyway, if you leave me, it better make some things just day low.
Wait
That's
till
it. Eh?
Wait me that English way Betiana speak yesterday.
Which one?
That one will go wahala. Wait till me. Daputa.
Kasala.
No.
Kasala.
Bukata. Bukata.
I don't wait your confession.
My own confession.
yeah, come
think
on.
I-
Like, you know when I talk, say some things go better, make them remain.
No.
Okay.
Now,
No,
you
but
better
it's
make
gonna,
it
I
remain.
confess, Amaka. I confess.
Hello. Hello. I don't want to talk now.
For wait,
It's
wait,
better
she
when
not- she never
something
reach
is
time for her to
there. It
confess.
never-
Don't want to
Thank
talk.
you.
We?
Okay,
It never
so
reached time
for
for her
me,
to confess.
Yes.
She's still on the way.
Taribo West. I know go fault time for it talk. I know say a lot of people go actually come outside talk say okay maybe they seek attention
Okay.
or because say people know they talk about them again.
Now, so
but
I think.
yes, I understand. But Taribo no be the first person. As he don't become pastor, we all know say a lot of pastors and they like use their own past experience. They preach.
Yeah.
They use their past experience. They catch flock for the Lord. So maybe for him, he just feels when he talk, a lot of people where they do the same thing go realize it because okay, yes, he used charm play. So now where are they now? At the end of the day, after all the charm. And another thing where people go need to even understand away from Taribo West, this now from Betiana to you. The Babalawo wey you they meet, if you feel make your life better, why your own life never better? Because I always they wonder why Babalawo that they live for inside one small house where they smell. Why they
Come
not?
get to Rishi.
Why they not feel live for inside mansion? Wait.
We get some recent babalawos where they really like watch
We,
for TV.
you and
Yeah. But
They
no,
get
but no, but
reception.
not like Jana. Thank you.
They get reception and computer
I'm
and they
telling
book
you,
date
when you enter, they get
Maybe, oh.
You
Maybe
said
they
TV,
get you.
right?
Maybe
Don't
they
go
watch her
one.
now.
No,
You
said
know you
TV.
go.
You don't go one. Let's not say that.
Okay.
You
So,
never
so
go
for
one.
me, I they still wait. As in, I they wonder why they no fit do that jazz like to prosper and to do better things. But I know they're doing it for themselves or for their family. Because when you see their own children or their own family too, you go wonder whether how far
Okay,
waiting they
but
are.
for that one, make I
But
tell you, it
that
gets some
one
people
aside-
where God make workers and it gets some way God make bosses. So then to make the work so that you will become the boss.
All right.
Wow.
Now the place
Okay.
position where
Nice.
they
It's okay,
That's
but for me
aside.
now, it's not just terrible they do. And apart from that, in don't become pastor now. So
Yeah.
definitely know how where you they serve God, as in you they pass you get
That
flock
means more
under
day
you.
to come.
You go yes, more day to come. You go still do
From
charity
him.
works, perhaps from the money where they say may you return, and we go
Exactly.
feel hear about the charity works where in they do.
You know, get any secrets.
It no go feel because after all we don't already know say that Jasmine in
Okay, so we
later,
need to calculate how much he make for during days of football. Then we go
You
understand
know that
how much.
we
Forget about that. No.
I dey like this guy.
See, let me tell you, Queen B.
Eh.
If they call you now as a person, say make you can't talk to small children. You go talk some things what you do in the past.
Yes, definitely.
It is normal.
You go need
Why?
to- they go see
Because
am
you're
from
trying to
you.
build it. You're trying to make them see a trust you. Say you be human being. You don't do some kind things before where you regret now. Now when God don't actually bless you, you're not going to go back to those things where you actually do in the
Yes.
past.
So,
Now,
but waiting you
I feel
talk and you
it's
say
normal.
if them call me.
And now
Taribo sit down, Jeje.
No,
Only you always see me dey talk.
No, na interview.
Na
Na
interview.
interview.
So Leon just waka go say,
I
okay.
don't do this one.
So I mean they do jazz before. They don't talk say don't they mad.
Night time we start. They just call me. They call us. They call us. Oh yeah, I been dey do jazz before.
So are you going to give your testimony? What did you do before?
This is my testimony. Let us go on the break right now.
For me, the thing what I do that time, yeah, the thing what I actually do that time, I to form side is sick, just for me to get good food.
For where?
You enter hospital.
From
No,
today.
I could just
If
put
we
put water into my mouth. If I just say my mouth, they can just do. I mean, when they come back after this break, they will not go anywhere.
From today.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.